Hello, this is Audrey Weidman. I wanted to share a way for you to use your body to help you get into a very open, receptive state, which is where we perform best and we're relaxed instead of anxious. And right now, let's start with aligning our body. We're going to pretend that we have a string coming out of the top of our head. And we want to have our head over our shoulders, which are down and rolled back. And the head and shoulders are over our pelvis. So our spine is straight. Next, I'd like you to check your jaw. Are you clenching at all? Make sure it's loose. And then put a slight smile on your face and unfurrow your brow. If you're worried, stop it. Just make it smooth and relax. Then what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can widen our eyesight. I did a video on this a while ago where if you are focused on the problem, you cannot see other possibilities outside of you. And if you're in a kind of a open state where you can see the movement on either side of your head, you're more likely to be in a receptive, open state. And again, they track this with saliva. They see how much cortisol you have in your saliva, and cortisol is a stress hormone. And these actions of like having a straight spine and a smile on our face and shoulders down, they all are supportive of reducing cortisol and increasing the rest and relaxation responses. Final step here is our breath. When we are stressed or in a dangerous situation, we have short, shallow breathings. Instead, breathe slowly and notice it. So I would like you to inhale for the count of 4 and exhale for the count of 4. And notice the temperature of air coming in your nostril and how that differs from the exhale. Ready? Let's do this. Inhale for the count of 4 and exhale for the count of 4. Now you can do this for the count of 5 or 6 or 3, however, whatever is comfortable for you, so long as they're balanced. And what you're doing is you're balancing the fight or flight part of your nervous system with the rest and relaxation part. It's called the parasympathetic versus the sympathetic nervous system. You just want to have them in balance. And this allows you to be in a very receptive and relaxed state and allows you to learn optimally and perform your job or whatever it is that you're doing more optimally. You trigger your best, the conditions for you being your best self. Now, before I go, I just want you to contrast this with how you feel. Like, notice how you feel right now. And now contrast it by crossing your legs, crossing your arms, slouching down with your head down. I physically feel a lot worse than when I'm going to shake it off, just like Taylor Swift says. I feel so much better when I'm in alignment, have a slight smile on my face, and my eyes are wide open. Oh, I see a wide peripheral vision.